Okay. Okay. So, again, I have to ask this because this was the request of also of Senator Jinggoy Estrada that the time that you delivered here in the Senate when you passed through the parking lot going to the office.
Yes.
Do you remember the dates, the year, the time? I just want to be clear about that, if you do remember or not.
The year is 2008 because that was the only year that I did it.
The year is 2008. Okay. The date?
No, I don't
No.
remember exactly.
The time you said?
It's usually in the afternoon.
Usually
I never came here in the morning.
Yes. Yes. At this point, we'd like to acknowledge the presence of Senator Nancy Binay. Morning, ma'am. Okay. Now, so your relationship with Senator Estrada, Jinggoy Estrada, as a, how should I call it? How would you describe your relationship as a broker, middleman? Press the mic, please.
A go-between?
A go-between. Okay, a go-between, in which you delivered from time to time sums of money as kickback from projects. It lasted, as you say, 2004 to 2008.
No. 2004 was the first time na
Okay.
hindi natuloy.
Okay.
Okay? So that was returned. And then nothing until this 2008.
There's a gap. Then nothing until 2008.
Yes.
Okay. And then after 2008, what happened?
After that, so we had several transactions. And finally, finally, I was able to introduce him. It's been coming out in the papers, and he's been saying it, that I did not introduce him to Mrs. Napoles. But I just want to correct you. It is possible that you introduce a person twice because the person doing the introduction is not aware that you have been introduced. Diba ho? So, as far as I know, I introduced him to Mrs. Napoles because Mrs. Napoles mahilig sa mga artista. Okay? And during the wake of Rudy Fernandez, I went because I knew also Rudy Fernandez. Jinggoy was there, and I introduced them. I was not given the impression that they had met before. Okay? Now, after that, a few days after that, Jinggoy called me up to ask me for the phone number of Mrs. Napoles. I didn't ask why. So anyway, I just gave it. I had no reason not to. I gave it, and before I knew it, that was, he wasn't anymore doing any business with me.
So in nagdirekta na.
Nag-direct.
Okay. So can you please enumerate all the places that you remember where you delivered kickbacks? So one is the Senate, as you already stated, the Senate office. One is the comedy bar, Circo.
Circo.
Where else po?
Senate.
And then the